Okay, we've already had a couple of rides on this Ducati 250. I'm going to take another one now because I've advanced the ignition timing a little bit. Information has been a little bit vague and scarce, but I had it set for between 35 and 38 degrees on full advance, and information I've seen since suggests it needs to be a little more than that. So I saw figures of 39 to 41, so I've aimed for 40. Checked it by strobe, and that's what I've got, and that coincides with about 10 millimeters before top dead center full advance on this particular one, for anyone who might want to know. So I'm going to take a run on it now and hopefully maybe see it's a little bit more lively. It appeared to be when I just went up and down the lane on it, and hopefully the misfire might have gone as well. There was a little bit of a stutter, and it'd be nice if the gears all still work as they did last time. So let's go and have a look, shall we? Might be able to get out and round and back before getting a soaking. The weather's a little bit up and down lately. Turn the key on so that the lights are on as well, I think. Maybe it helps. Hopefully let's go. Right, well the oil leak from the front rocker cover has stopped, so that's good news, and we're still holding on to third gear and all the others, so that's also good. But we still got that damned misfire. I'll clean the carburettor out, and I know that the timing is good. I won't overlook the obvious, and I think next I'll try it with a different spark plug and see what happens. I also slackened off the fuel cap heading up the hill towards the next village at one point, just in case there was air starvation in the tank due to a clogged breather, but that didn't seem to change anything. But it does seem to appear under load, under full throttle, and you can give it full throttle and it'll take it for a while, and then it'll start misfiring, like coming back along that last straight before I turned in to come home off the main road. I had it on full throttle there and it ran smoothly for a while, even though it wasn't at full revs. It was under load, pulling hard, and then all of a sudden the misfire started. So certainly worth changing a spark plug and see what we get for that. I'm sure I'll find it eventually, just a matter of time and experiment, and hopefully once that's gone it'll be great, I think. Showing all the signs of a nice little lively bike. It's certainly livened up a little bit and more willing to rev since I advanced the timing, so that's something. Just got to get that misfire sorted, and we'll be there then, I think. Right, here we are with that Ducati 250 yet again, and since the last video, in between that and this one, I actually took a ride on that same route again after fitting a new spark plug, but that didn't make any difference to the misfire, unfortunately. I didn't share that video because unfortunately the camera went a bit squiffy and we were looking up at the sky, so I just deleted that. So this is following on from that. We've got a new spark plug in there, obviously. I've had the carburettor off, checked it, thoroughly cleaned it. Well, it wasn't dirty. There was a filter around the main jet itself. I've even removed that. I've added petrol to it in case the fuel level was a bit low, and I've added extra earths to the ignition system between the engine frame and the coil itself. And I've also disconnected the wire which runs up to the kill switch, just in case there was an earthing problem with that. So if it misfires now, I'm really at a loss as to what to do next, but let's give it a try, see if there's any change. Stuffed some newspaper and a magazine down the jacket to hopefully tilt the camera at a better angle. We'll see. The fuel is on. course I won't be able to stop it on the button just yet. So we'll connect those wires back up. We'll have to keep themselves first. Just put the camera down a moment. We'll get there. Right. Well, the misfire was still evident there, but nowhere near as bad. So whether it's something that will clear up, I don't know. But I think I've just about run out of ideas as to things that might be causing it now. Done the spark plug. I mean, the whole ignition system is new, from plug cap right through to coil and CDI box. All the wiring came with it and is in good shape. I put extra earths on, as I've said. Maybe, just maybe, if it is gradually getting better, perhaps it could be an occasionally sticking valve or something, I don't know, but it didn't seem to be so bad as last time, which unfortunately we don't see on film, or the time before, which I did share on video. I think that I might be tempted to call it a day with that and let the owner take it and see how he gets on, because it might be something that could clear itself now, to be honest. The only other thing that I've got left that he gave me to try possibly is the original silencer, but I don't really see how that will change anything, but it might be worth a go. Anyway, that's where it's at for now, and it's riding nicely. Obviously the jumping out of gear issue is well and truly fixed, so all round we haven't won, but we're winning.